Why didn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me?
Armand, why didn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me about the 100 million?
Why didn't you tell me about the doctors?
Oh, God. Why didn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me?
You would have stopped me.
Mom, why didn't you tell me?
I told you.
Why didn't you tell me?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because I didn't want to.
Why didn't you tell me you're a cop?
I'm looking out for you.
He called? Why didn't you tell me? I suppose I forgot.
Why didn't you tell me?
Didn't think it would make any difference.
Why didn't you tell me you were planning this?
It was my burden to bear.
You are married. Why didn't you tell me?
I thought he was dead.
Why didn't you tell me, B?
I guess you haven't been around that much. Why didn't you tell me that?
I did. But you were asleep at the time.
Why didn't you tell me? No, everything's fine. We just had a little misunderstanding.
What happened?
Why didn't you tell me these things were immune to silver and garlic?
I didn't know.
Why didn't you tell me, bro? Why do we even come here if you don't have any friggin' money? Wasting our time?
Why didn't he tell me I had a brother? Why didn't you tell me I had a brother? Why didn't anyone ever tell me that I had a brother?
Why didn't you tell me you'd taken out a loan?
I didn't want to worry you. Or the children.
But why didn't you tell me that sooner? I was trying to protect you.
Why didn't you tell me she'd been writing all these years?
Where did you get these?
Where you hid them?
Why didn't you tell me you were coming? I would have been here waiting.
I didn't want you to wait. I don't want you to spend your life waiting.